Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good evening,
You can
sir.
see the screen?
Yes, sir. Question already. I want.
No, just started.
So already question now. 1 second, sir. I'll take my book.
Hmm?
Is this question, sir? We have to solve it.
Yeah, we will start with a question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, for some reason, Kongwell is not able to join, sir. He just messaged me.
We'll join. L Sankar.
Yes, I joined, sir. It showed me that the meeting didn't start yet. So I joined it.
So this was my least favorite subject in maths in 8th grade, sir.
Subject in maths.
So, firstly, in these type of questions, there are two things to learn. Okay, how to write and how to solve. How to write part is easy, which I will show you. How should you write in the exam? How to solve, of course, depends upon your thinking abilities.
Yes, sir.
When you solve a geometry question, you should draw a clean figure. You should write what is given. You should write what is to show, then solution. Okay. So you can see in the screen, to show there are, so I'll tell you what is to be shown. There are two parts. APC should be congruent to the triangle AQB, and second part is BPC CQB. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Any questions before we start?
Sir.
Why are you not visible?
Oh, 1 second, sir. Sorry. Yes.
So for me, it's just that the video is not allowing me. When I joined, it was like you have a problem to join. Now it's not letting me know.
There is always a problem. Huh?
Last class it was visible.
So are you sharing something?
Yes.
Huh?
It's a blank.
You can't see anything
blank.
written?
I mean, I obviously have shared the screen. Oh, now I can see. Okay. Yeah, now I can see.
Okay.
You can continue.
So there is a diagram on your left. Given information that AB is equal to AC, AP is equal to AQ. You have to show two things, that APC triangle is congruent to AQB and BPC triangle is congruent to CQB. Okay. So we'll show part one. Okay.
Yes, sir. I found the answer.
You see, you have to understand one thing, that the way we write the solution is the most important part. The way of solving is later. Okay. So when we show two triangles are congruent, we should be taking care of the order in which we write. Okay. For example, how do we write a solution, we write it like this. In triangle APC and triangle AQB. So AP is equal to AQ, which is given, the second information, right? Angle A, so what do we have? AP is equal to AQ, all right.
Yes, sir.
Angle A is equal to angle A, which is common. What is the next thing which we should write?
Angle.
Sir, side angle side, sir. Sir, the
Which
next
side?
side that is equal to AB, sir. So the line AB is same as line AC, which is the first data just given.
So now here is a small question. Should I write AB is equal to AC here, or should I write AC is equal to AB, which is correct?
So you have to write AB equals AC, sir, because in all of the following, we have
Alphabetical
given
order.
the triangle BQ's data first.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, now you are
Now,
audible.
yes.
Hello?
Yes, yes, tell.
Yeah. Sir?
I can hear you, tell me.
Sir?
Yes, uncle.
Hey, we can't hear you, though. Speak.
Okay. So see, the correct way to write is this one and not this one. Can you
I
tell
see.
why?
Um,
Sir, but
The
then
reason
like the
being,
first one. Oh, sorry,
the
sir. I
reason
thought
being,
okay. Sir, this is correct, sir. I thought the first one you did for triangle ABQ. My bad.
I'm writing it like this in triangle APC and triangle AQB.
First,
So
we
the
have to
left
give
hand
details for
information,
APC.
left
Sir,
hand
now am I
information,
audible?
Yes, you
you
are
are always
audible.
audible.
Okay, sir. Sir, I still can't. Sir, can you
You can't
speak?
hear. I'm speaking. Can you hear me? Hello. Okay, so this is the right way of writing. Left hand is always of triangle APC information. Right hand is always triangle AQB information.
yes, sir.
So you can also see that if I underline AP is equal to AQ, it is like this. AP is equal to AQ. AC is equal to AB is like this. Corresponding places are matching. That's how we should write. Okay.
Oh.
So
Yes,
from
sir.
here
So
we
if
say
you
that.
ask if AQB is congruent to APC, you have to write AB is equal to AC.
Come again.
So like if it's switched the place like AQB is congruent to APC triangle, that means you have to write AB is equal to AC, right? It all
So
depends on the order.
thing is, the question will be made to confuse you.
Sir, am
They
I
will not.
audible now?
You are.
Yes,
They,
da, you're
Okay, yeah,
always
I
audible.
can. Yeah, I.
Who's that? Another imposter, uncle?
Yes, continue, sir.
okay. So they will write not. They may not write in the proper order. It is you who have to find the proper order of writing triangles.
So even if the
So
places
just
are switched, it will still be AC is equal to AB.
you have
Sir,
to
can
write
you
it in
say
the
what you
proper
were
way.
doing, sir?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah. So Sankalp, we are solving some questions based on triangles, which we the criterias which we had in last class using that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So what
are
we
you sharing your screen?
It's blue, right?
Yeah, it's blue.
It'll come in 2 seconds. It'll come in 2 seconds. It'll come in 2 seconds. Just wait.
Is it coming? Not coming?
So it'll come in 2 seconds, sir. It just takes a little time. In 2 seconds, he'll say, "Ah, I see it."
Yeah, I see it.
I was just about to say it.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
we
You can
write
continue.
like this much. Then we say that using side angle
SAS.
side criteria.
Yes.
Sir, can you just go to the previous slide? I'll just see what you did.
So the one thing I did not understand when we were learning this is what formula to use. Like how do we find which one to
The
use?
order of
SAS.
writing, we weren't clear with, sir.
Order of writing is what matters. Okay.
That's what I don't get, sir.
Yeah.
Why do we
Sir,
have to
I
use
just saw
SAS,
a
sir?
message
Triangle
saying Sankalp Anant left, sir.
APC is congruent
Yeah,
to
that's
triangle.
Uncle Pear.
So why do we have to use SAS?
Side angle side.
I
Two
know what that
sides are
means.
You
given,
I'm
don't
one
just
angle
asking
is
you why
if
do we
you
have
given.
to
can
use
find if you can find any other criteria to prove these two triangles congruent, you can let me know. We can use that also.
No, sir. Like, how do I know if it's SAS? Like, you said
Trial and
using
error.
SAS
Check.
criteria.
So you have
Just
to
check.
figure it out. It's like a puzzle. There are 5 criterias, right? You have to
Yes.
guess and work out in your brain which method of all those 5 criterias is going to work. Okay? Whichever
Yes.
works, that we use. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So by SAS criteria, we say that triangle APC is congruent to triangle AQB. Now next,
Yes, sir.
part B, part 2. So I'll bring the figure here, and if it is possible,
So copy paste, sir.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So part 2 says we have to show BPC and CQB are congruent. So aim,
So we finished part 1.
yes.
Yeah, we did APC equals AQB. We already proved, no?
So BPC and CQB.
Oh, you're telling like if I use SAS, I have to tell that AP that side and CP is a side. Angle P
Yeah.
is like an angle, so it's a side AP, angle P, angle PC is congruent to angle AQ. No, side AQ, angle Q, and side BQ. Oh,
So,
okay. Now I get.
so now you see. So if I want to highlight where is BPC triangle, BPC triangle is this.
Yes.
Okay. And where is
Yes, sir.
CQB triangle? CQB
So
triangle
the
is this.
congruent to it or opposite.
So the aim is to show that these two triangles are same. And
Yes,
now we
sir.
have to
Sir,
figure out.
side B, side PQ is equal to side PC, and side B, angle B and angle B are same, so we can use the SAS.
That's what the point is. So how do you say SAS?
Sir, because two sides are equal and one angle is
These
same.
How do
sides
you
Why are
are
two
know?
sides equal?
Which two sides?
PC and BQ.
What?
how do you know? So I'll write what is given also.
Sir, the two lines that are equal are PB and QC, sir. That is one set. And then the other set is BC, which is
BC.
common for both, sir. So that's two of them done.
SSA.
And then we see And then we see those intersecting lines. No, sir, nothing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I
so
thought you
that
were
is the
Then
asking.
place where
the
we have to figure out what works. Okay, of course, BC is same as CB. So this is BC is equal to CB, which is given. Okay. What else are equal?
sir, the angle BPC is equal to angle BQC, sir. So we can say that
I don't get it,
because
sir.
we can say that because PB and QC are of the same
Equal.
length, and since AB and AC are of same length, this triangle is an isosceles triangle, meaning which both of the angles at the bottom will be same. So the other angle will also be the same.
Which is an isosceles triangle?
The whole thing.
The ABC triangle, sir.
Okay, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Fine.
So B
So
angle
opposite
B and angle
angles
C
are
will be same.
same. Okay. So
The
angle
BPC and
B
PQC.
is equal to angle C
C.
No, sir. That's not what I'm saying. That is true, sir.
because AB is equal to AC. So opposite angles.
Are
Yes,
equal in
sir.
an isosceles triangle.
Yeah, so what I said is correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
so angle
Yes,
B is
you
same
are
as angle C. We need third
already.
information also. Side
BC, sir,
angle.
common.
C is already written.
Oh, okay. So PB and QC, sir.
Why?
Okay, no,
So
sir.
because it's an isosceles triangle, both
So
the
yes,
sides are
sir,
equal, sir.
because both sides
Yes,
are
sir. Like
equal,
Both sides are
and
because
equal.
AP and AQ are of same length, so the remaining length will be the same, sir.
Yeah, right.
sir, it will be
So
same.
the next is BP is equal to same as CQ.
QC or QC.
See, I am very cautious in writing in the same order. BP, CQ. Okay, do you see that?
So will I lose marks if I don't write it like that?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my God.
So it is because AB minus AP is same as BP
Uh,
and AC minus AQ is same as
it's equal
CQ.
to CQ.
And these two are equal. So therefore BP and CQ are equal.
Yes, sir.
What we write here by SAS criteria again, triangle BPC congruent to triangle
congruent to QB.
CQB. Okay. Now, additionally, what we can get from these congruency, we can get that all the corresponding parts are also equal. That means in the yellow and green triangle, this BP, of course, we know is same as QC. This BQ length is also same as PC, and as well as angle P and angle Q is same. Okay, it is an additional information which we get after proving this congruency. Understandable?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see one more question, and hopefully you will be able to figure out yourself how to use a criteria. Okay, let's see.
Yes, 1 second, sir. I'll just drink water and come.
Okay, me too, sir. Oh wait, it's right next to me. Okay, no need. Okay,
Okay,
it's
so
not
let's
right next
draw
to me.
this. This is the figure, and the names are
X.
no, not X.
So it was looks like okay. Wait. So why not X, Y, Z? Oh, wait, you can't do that.
We can do that also. It doesn't make
So
any
let's stop
difference.
at Z, sir.
Okay, so let's see what is given first.
What was the midpoint, sir? The intersecting point of AC and ED.
So AC is equal to AE.
So how,
Means
sir?
it is
Oh,
given.
it's given. Okay, okay, it's given. Okay.
Yeah, it is
I thought
given.
you found
So
out.
we make it like this. Just a symbol to represent this information that the double lines are same. AC is equal to
So that means
AE.
ACE is an isosceles triangle. So angle C and angle E are the same.
AB is equal to AD. So that means single lines are equal.
So angle B and angle D is also same.
And angle BAD is same as
Still BAD. Yeah.
angle EAC. So where is BAD? It is here. EAC is here. These two angles are same. What do you have to show? Show that
So that means angle ABD or triangle ABD and triangle ACE are same, sir. Are congruent.
could be, but before jumping to any conclusions, we should also realize that what is it that we want to show. In that direction, we have to proceed. Understandable?
Yes.
The target here is to show BC is equal to DE.
Yes.
Okay, where is BC? BC is here.
Bottom base.
And where is DE? DE is here.
Slanting.
So what do you think? You have 5 criterias. Which one of them is going to work? Everybody understanding the question?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can't we use side? Oh, okay, sir. Never mind.
So I'll show you what are the criterias which we already have. SSS,
Sir,
SAS,
angle whole angle A
Single
is
angle
equal to
side.
whole angle C.
ASA and RHS.
SSA. What?
They are the 5
I mean-
possibilities.
Yes, sir.
Which is going to work? So this is where you apply your brains. Okay. Okay, can you make out? So we are in the congruency chapter, right? And they seem to be parts of triangles. Why not work backwards and try to find they are parts of which congruent triangles, and then we lead to showing the congruency of those triangles. What do you think?
I don't understand what you said, sir.
I'm saying let's work backwards. Okay.
First find
Yes,
congruent.
sir.
So
What are the
BC is equal
congruents?
to DE, right?
Yes,
It must have been corresponding parts of some congruent triangles. We can find those congruent triangles. Work is much easier. No?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which triangles do you think will work?
The isosceles triangle is ACE.
So
No,
side
sir.
BC comes from which triangle?
ABC, sir.
ABC, okay. And side DE comes from which triangle?
ADE.
A.
DE. So does it make sense to look out for these two triangles?
Oh my god. Yes, sir.
See. So how about in triangle ABC and triangle ADE? So is it okay if I write AB is equal to AD?
Yes, sir.
Because that's
What?
Yes,
given.
sir.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
you
It is
can write that.
given.
Because AB and AD are same usage.
Is it okay if I write AC is equal to AE?
Yes, sir. It is
Yes.
given.
Sir. Yes, sir. It's given.
Remember I'm keeping the order maintained. Okay. So AB same as AD, AC same as AE. Okay, that is there. Okay. So I need one more thing. So basically ASA is gone, RHS is anyway gone, AAS is gone because I have side and side. I have two sides. So either I should use SSS or SAS.
So it should
So
be
what should I
SSS,
do?
sir. We are finding sides only, no, sir.
So
Finding
remaining,
sides, so
what
it
is the
cannot
side
be SA.
BC? So BC is equal to DE. That's what we have to show.
Yes, sir. So it should be
So
SSS.
angle should come where? Somewhere in the picture. But how to bring that angle?
Mm.
Uh,
Sir, so like angle A, like, this is like, sir, is this like a shape to like scale, or is it just a random shape?
no, it's random.
No, it's not to scale. It is a random figure.
Not,
Okay.
no
Sir,
figure given
because
ever in the geography exam is to scale.
Only what
sir,
we have to
I
do
thought it.
construct is only you have to scale.
So see, can I claim that angle?
Sir. Angle, sir, you see that angle below AE, right, sir? Line AE. Below line
This
Oh,
AE.
yeah.
this angle?
Yes, sir, that angle. Yes, sir, that
That
angle.
is equal to A
Sir,
angle, both A.
But it is
Yeah,
not a part of ADE. It is a part of ACE.
Yes, sir, that angle is equal to angle C, right, sir? Angle CDE.
No, it's an isosceles triangle. How is it equal to angle C?
Sorry,
Angle
sir.
C and
No,
angle E are only same.
No, not that angle. I'm talking about the angle in like below that.
Oh, like opposite angles are
So what we
Yes,
write? It is
yes.
like this. Angle BAC, which is this angle, is same as angle BAE. Okay? Because reason is here. Angle BAD is anyway equal to angle EAC I am given, right?
sure.
Yes,
So
sir.
what I do, I bring another angle DAC, which is same as itself, and I add it. What is BAD plus DAC?
BADAC. Oh,
BA. Sir,
BAD plus
BAD
DAC,
square AC.
angle BAC, right?
yes, sir,
What?
angle BAC.
And what is angle
Actually, the
EAC plus
entire
DAC?
angle, EAS, 1 second, sir, 1 second, sir. Sir, it is angle EAD, angle EAD.
So either I write EAD or DAE, both are same, no?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
DAE is correct. No, it's not the same. I mean, it's the same, but we don't get
It
marks.
is the same.
We won't
So
get
yeah,
marks.
you can write it either this or angle EAD, both are okay. But I
Sir, we have
prefer to write
follow
this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what do I get? Side, angle, side. right? So what we write? We write using side angle side criteria.
So can you
Which
go back to
triangles
the
are congruent?
previous page?
Triangle ABC and ADE.
Uh,
Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BDE.
So go to the previous slide. Go to the previous slide.
Sir, BDE is not even a triangle, sir.
Which one?
BDE.
ADE, sorry. ADE. Yeah,
Oh.
ADE.
So once can you go to the previous slide?
Yes.
A. Okay. ABC.
Understandable?
Yes, sir. I'm done.
Yes, sir.
So we write like this. And now, what was the aim? The aim was to show BC is equal to DE. So how we write? By CPCT
What is
of
that?
CPCT, remember I told you corresponding parts of
Yes.
congruent.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Wait, what?
We have BC is equal to DE.
Yes, sir.
Remember how the placing is perfect?
AB is
BC,
also equal to AD.
yeah. AB is also equal to AD. AE
AC
is
is
equal
also
to
equal to
AC.
AE.
A
So
Sir,
correspondingly,
how is
whatever we want,
A is equal to AC? Yeah,
AC is equal to AE from
yeah,
this.
yeah. Okay, yes.
Okay, but what we write is only what we need. Okay. Additionally, if we wanted
Only
some
this.
more, we would write.
Oh, we found out the
Understandable?
answer. BC is equal to A.
Understandable or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see one more question.
The next page, so 1 second. Can you go to
Yeah,
the
yeah.
next page?
Next page. Yes.
No, sir. I want to see the continue. Now. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Let's see one more question. The figure looks like this. Okay. This is the figure. And the names are A, B, C, D, E. Let's see what
Yes.
are given things. Always remember to write given, to show,
BD is
and
equal to A.
so what is given? AC is equal to CB. This is equal. And angle A is equal to angle B.
That means
That means
okay.
this is equal. And as well as angle DCA is same as ECB, which is this angle. Okay. What is to show? To show we have DC is equal to EC.
What? Oh, DC.
Where is DC?
Oh.
DC is here.
Yes.
And where is EC? EC is here.
Yes, sir.
So what is your strategy?
Sir, how do we prove that?
Just like we did the last time.
Sir,
They seem
there's
to be
like
part of some triangles, right?
sir, yeah, sir, the A, B, and the intersection of E and D, that one is a triangle
It's
where
CDB. They're DC is a part of CDB, and EC is a part of BC. ACE.
ACE, yeah, ACE.
So we just have to prove that both of those triangles are congruent.
no, we have to
Possibly.
prove both of those sides are same.
So
Okay, sir.
DC is certainly
I'll
part of only one
prove it.
triangle, right?
Yes.
So
Yes,
mine
sir.
says that DC is
Sir, one
part of
relation.
DCB.
Sir, yes, sir. One relation is angle C is the same, sir, both sides. That is one angle relation.
EC is
Sir,
part of
Then,
angle
DCB.
ECB, triangle
and then we
ECB.
also have angle B and angle A, sir. That's so it's two angles. And we just need to prove that one more side is equal, which is AC and CB, sir.
Sir,
So
triangle
it's the
DCB and triangle
AAS.
ECA are congruent,
So it's
sir.
the
So 2 seconds you can solve this. Triangle DCB and triangle ECA are congruent. So DC and EC are same, sir.
How they
yeah. You
are
have to prove
congruent?
that they're sir. So
I
basically,
thought this was
the
given.
angle C, there is one angle C for ECA and one angle C for DCB also, and both of them are same, sir. So that's one angle done. And then we have
No, but
angle
it is not.
B.
But it is not inside the triangle, no?
Yes, not completely. We can't say it as angle C, but that particular angle, I wish I could draw on the screen, but I can't.
Angle DCE, da.
Sir, that is same, sir, because the angles on the both of the other sides,
Or
they are the same, so they
or
will be the same.
angle
I can't
ACB
draw on
and
the screen, sir. I
E.
can't
Okay,
explain.
what is the
Angle
criteria which you are using? That you tell.
Sir, two angles on one side, so that's AAS, sir.
AAS.
Is it A? One
Okay.
second. Sorry, sir. It's ASA. ASA,
AS.
sir. A.
Yes. So see, in triangle. So first we do some calculation. Okay. Since I'm showing you how to write in exam. Okay. Since
Yes.
angle DCA is equal to angle ECB, and what I do now, I bring two equal angles. DCE is same as DCE. I add them. So DCA and DCE, what it gives me?
So you
ACE.
wrote both sides DCE, sir.
That's what.
Yeah, it's just the same.
Okay.
Adding
Oh, they're
equal
common for
parts
both.
to equals.
AC.
So they're common for both.
So DCA plus DCE gives me ECA, right?
DCA. Yeah, sir.
Sir, how?
See,
Show you. This is
ECA,
DCA,
sir. I don't understand this padding, sir.
this is DCA, and this is
Yes, sir.
DCE.
Oh,
Add these
okay,
two
okay. Yeah,
angles,
yes, sir. Oh, okay, okay.
right?
What?
I
I
thought
don't
you did
understand.
like
Can you
on
keep
the
telling, sir?
paper.
I don't understand.
This is DCA,
Yes, sir.
yeah. This is DCE.
Yes, sir.
Adding these two angles gives you what? ECA, no?
Oh my god. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay.
What is that?
So wait,
What is ECB and
Sir,
DCE?
I never expected that. ECB and then plus DCA is, so it's
Is equal to
angle DCB,
DCB, sir.
DCB,
Plus
DCB.
this.
DCB.
DCB, very good.
DCB,
Oh my
DCB.
god.
And adding equal parts to equals remains equal. So this is one information. So what we
Next
now
one is
write?
angle A and angle B, sir. Easy ones. Angle A and angle B.
The same.
They're equal. No,
Yeah,
they
It's
are
already
the
given,
same.
Ra.
that
Okay.
same angle
I
angle
know.
That's
DCB
what
and
I
It's a
also
angle.
said.
proof. It's a proof.
It's already given, Ra.
It's given
Hey, but you have to again write it in order to tell it.
Okay, so now write it. We write it in this way. In triangle DCB and ECA,
DCB and ECA.
BAC.
we are planning to use ASA. Okay. So angle EAC, which is basically angle A,
How ACA? I mean ASA.
I'll show
To
you. So I'll bring the figure.
Okay. Yes, sir. Library. Oh, what?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
stop it.
I don't care.
So angle A is equal to angle
Angle
B,
B.
which was
Given.
given.
Yes.
Yes, we have to write it as given.
Then
We
we
have to
have
write it.
Yeah, that's what
AC.
I'm saying.
Then we have uh, DC
CA.
is equal to AC.
AC.
This is also given.
Yes, sir.
And we already proved angle DCB
ECB and ECA.
same as ECA from
Yes,
first.
Yes, sir.
So what we write
sir.
using
SA.
ASA
I
criteria.
don't know how. Okay, yes, sir.
Remember, ASA side should be between those two angles, and which is what we have exactly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I don't understand how you use this ASA, sir.
Okay,
There's no
I'll show
angles
you.
on one side.
So if you focus on the triangle ACE, right, the red one,
Yes,
angle,
sir.
side, angle.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's the
Angle,
same on the other side also.
yes.
Oh.
Angle, side, angle, right?
If the
Yes,
side is
sir. So for
sandwiched
also
between two angles,
DCB,
we use
also
ASA.
for DCB, it's like angle C, side ACB and angle B.
Yes. So DCB is congruent to triangle ECA.
ECA. Hence,
Now, by CPCT, what we want to show?
angle
DC
DC is equal to
is equal
EC.
to EC. You see how perfectly the order is maintained. DC
So
is
now the
equal
answer is
to
correct,
EC.
sir. That's it. We got the answer. We proved
Yeah.
DC is equal to
And that
EC.
is what we accomplished.
Yeah,
Understandable?
I already said the answer. I just couldn't prove it, sir.
No
Yeah.
problem. No problem. So that is what we should, why we should do practice. Okay.
Yes.
Whatever is there in
Yes.
mind, we are able to execute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what are you eating, the Kongwell?
I'm not eating anything.
Okay. So shall we try one more question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay, very good.
sir, this is even confusing than first chapter, sir.
No
Confusing,
wonder I
really.
hated it.
Sir,
Sir, no,
actually,
sir.
it's like,
Now I
sir,
understand, sir.
no, sir, after studying algebra for like 4 years straight, this has become a bit new,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir, no, sir. This thing we
No
learned in
problem.
8th grade and I hated it more than everything, sir.
You know, mind has a lot of capabilities. You just need to believe in it.
You just have to use it.
Hey, Kongwell, what are you doing?
Not
Some
doing
sound
anything.
is like slurping, but you're not doing
I
anything.
know, right?
Ah, okay, now it's going.
Because I was
I think you should throw your headphones away there.
He's like chewing the mic there.
Well, I'm just kidding there.
Too late, he threw it off.
It's a tent.
He's still wearing it. It's a 3D cube. No, it's a
Okay,
3D
so this is the
triangle.
figure. The names
Yes,
are
sir.
A, B,
It's
C,
like a
D,
C.
CT.
It's so
F.
hard to unsee that it's a 3D triangle, sir.
I know, right? It's so hard.
This is O.
Oh, there's a midpoint.
Oh, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So what is
Oh,
Sir,
given?
angle, sir, I have a thing, sir. Angle ABC, angle AOB, angle COF, angle AOC, angle BOE are equal to 360 degree. Wait, we are not finding it.
Oh my god.
No, okay, angle BOE and angle AOC are equal.
Dave, we
Because
know that,
opposite.
everyone knows that.
So B and
Then why did you say it,
Oh,
right?
ABCD is a parallelogram, da.
Yes. ABEF
Oh my
also is
God,
a
Tarun just
parallelogram.
spoke.
A, B, E. Oh,
O
okay.
is midpoint of BC.
Yes, sir. Oh, it's a midpoint of BC. Okay.
Sir,
That
what
means
is
Okay.
sir, what is ABCD? It is a what?
the parallelogram.
Parallelogram. We learned this
That
no.
Sir,
means
but parallelogram it's only 2 lines, right, sir?
They
Yeah,
taught us
he-
with 2 lines, but it's
two-sided
fine.
figure.
It's understandable.
there's three
See,
parallel
it
lines
is
and there's
just
a parallel
placed like this.
You can even write 4, 5, 6, 7, anything you want.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So ABCD is a parallelogram. Basically, opposite angles are equal.
What
Yes,
should we
sir.
prove,
Angle
sir?
A and angle C are equal. Angle B and angle D are equal.
B and angle D are equal.
B and D are equal.
Angle C and A are equal.
Angle A and angle C are equal.
Yes.
Sir.
Oh, you're maintaining the order.
Similarly, you can make out for ABEF.
Congrats,
I'm
stop
not
there.
writing it.
Sir, 180
Oh.
degree minus angle C is equal to.
I'll mute.
Mute yourself.
Okay, I'll just.
Show. Okay, so let's see what do you want to show. This is relatively a different problem. We have to show that
Sir, angle
BC,
A and angle
CF,
E are same and angle F and angle B are same, right, sir?
Already said it. No, wait, what? No, that's not how it works.
this is
Yes,
what you
it's a
have to show.
parallelogram. DC is equal to CF, which is equal to F.
Shush, shush, shush. Uncle, chup karke.
So DC, CF, and FE. So where are DC? DC is here.
So there is no way there's all the same, sir. CF is so small.
CF
Where?
is here.
The diagram is not to scale.
I mean, it should be somewhat close, right?
And FE is here.
You can't say. Yes, sir.
So aim is to show this yellow, red, and green all are equal.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
What should be the plan?
Hmm.
Yes, sir, I get it.
Tell the.
Sir, CO and OB are same. That means both of their lengths are same. So, like parallelograms, one side is same. So, if one side is same, the other side is also same. So, all the
Angle-
angles are same and everything are equal. Let's go.
What?
What?
Bruh.
Sir, it's like
Anything makes sense, huh?
The parallelogram, we know it's equal.
yes, sir.
Already
Like
given.
you wrote
I mean-
CO is equal to OB, right, sir? So I have
Yeah,
to
okay.
write this, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
CO is equal to OB, then what?
Sir, that means like the length of CO and length of OB is same. So that means in the like the triangle AOB, the triangle A. Oh wait, sorry.
We
Sorry.
made a mistake. We all
You were
know.
on to something. That's why that's a good thing to say.
Think
Sorry,
and
sir.
then speak. Okay.
Sir, for both AB and AB are same for both the parallelograms. Sir. The side
Yeah.
AB is same
Mhm.
and it's given. No, it's not given, but you are saying AB.
Sir, triangle COF is an isosceles triangle.
How?
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 Oh, it's not.
Hold on.
It's not.
How?
It's not.
Uh,
Sir, at any cost, you don't solve it, sir, because we want to solve it.
no, then we'll be sitting here all day.
I know.
So you have 3 minutes. After that,
10
I'll
more
solve.
minutes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, am I on to something? AB is equal for both the parallelograms. The side AB.
It is a common parallelogram. Side.
Yes, sir, that's what I'm saying, sir. It's equal.
Hey, that's not even close to what you have to prove, da.
AB is equal to A. You have to be somewhere to solve this.
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Yeah. Yes, sir. You all
Sir,
have to close your mouth
we
and do
can
it.
definitely
I wonder
confirm
if
that
Tarun is
DC is
there in the
equal to
class.
FE, sir.
What did you say, Pankaj?
Hello, Tarun. Okay.
What did you
Sir,
say,
we
Pankaj?
know that sir, we definitely know because DC is equal to FE because DC and FE share the same AB line.
Oh, oh my God. That's actually true.
Sir,
Is it true, sir?
3 minutes.
So is that
no,
true?
sir, like
What Pankaj
Shush.
said?
I'll ask. I'll listen only after 2 minutes now.
Okay.
You think and tell
so
later.
so it's only about CF.
Sir, I'm so close to finding the answer, sir. I found DC
Looks like
equals
you're just
FE.
staring at the screen, Ras Konguvel.
No. Yeah, I'm not writing anything. I'm actually only staring at the screen. I just have to. Okay, I'm not telling anyone.
You itself started. You itself said
So
you're not
one
gonna say.
property I have to find in common.
That's what Sankat said. No.
One property.
DC.
I know
equal to
that.
F.
BC equals to.
DC.
DC is equal to
is
FE,
equal to FE.
I know
Just
we
tell the
already
small.
know that, Ra. I already know
No,
that.
we don't know that. We have to show that.
I know how to prove that.
So I think 2 minutes. Okay, sir.
Sir,
Is
I'm
not
done.
there.
I'm done. Sir, I'm done.
Sir is not there. So tell us. Okay, sir. Is
Sir,
there.
should I? Oh, sir, I'm done. I'm done. Sir, I'm done. Sir, I'm done, sir.
I
Should
swear to
I
God, if
type
it's
the
wrong,
answer
I'm
in
gonna
the
search
chat?
you.
No, it's not wrong. It's 150% correct. Although
Your
mathematically
math
that's
stuff
not
is
possible.
wrong then, sir. So should
Sir, can I
Konguvel
type
say
the
the
answer in the
answer?
chat?
No need.
30
Sir, 2
seconds.
minutes. 40
Sir,
seconds.
should I take that as a yes?
No.
10, 9, 8, 7,
No,
What?
please.
6,
How
5.
did it go so fast, sir?
Do it fast. No, do it slow.
Why?
They don't
I
even can
thought
answer.
it would be fine.
I found the answer. I'm so proud of myself.
Wait a minute.
Okay. So what is
Sir,
the
I
update?
did.
Sir, we can use
Sir,
One by
yes,
SSS
one.
sir.
criteria.
So, wait. Shush. Nitish, you're not speaking.
I am.
Sir, to first prove that DC equals FE, we know that AB is a common side for both parallelograms. So the opposite sides of a parallelogram are always equal, sir. So which means we can prove that AB is equal to FE, and if AB is equal to FE, AB will also be equal to DC, as it is also a part of the other parallelogram.
Okay.
So that is DC equal to FE proven, sir. So how to
Okay.
prove that CF is also equal to that is, so my aim is to now prove that CF is equal to AB because that is also equal to DC and FE. So how I
Okay.
can prove that is, the triangle COF, the top angle of that triangle is
We
equal
got it,
to
bro.
the triangle AOB, the bottom angle of that,
Oh
since like
man.
opposite
Oh,
angles are equal. So that's one angle
angle
done.
O. Okay.
And the other one, angle angle ABO. To find that angle, we can say that since AB and DE are parallel lines, opposite the transversal cutting through a parallel line, so BC is a transversal, so angle BCE will be equal to angle CBA. So that's another angle done, sir. So and then we already know that CO and BO are equal. So ABO and COF are congruent triangles, and thus CF equals AB, which thus proves DC
Okay.
equals CF equals FE.
I didn't understand
Oh my
anything
breath.
there, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
Any
I
other
got it.
input?
I got it.
I didn't understand
Sir,
anything.
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
you could have we could have done it simpler, right, sir?
Okay.
Like
Tell us, sir.
How?
as CO is equal to BO and CF is supposed to be equal to FE. You
What?
said we have to match. Wait, you said we have to match CF with AB, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
And CO is equal to OB. So that means the length of CO and OB are same. And the line FA is intersecting correctly in the middle of CB, the line CB. So like that makes sense that AB is equal to CF, right, sir? So if AB is equal to CF,
What?
CF is equal to FE and DC.
Mhm. No.
No.
Mm.
I'll
BC is
show you
not
the.
Doesn't
cutting
work like
AF,
that.
yeah.
So
I'll
BC
what
show
is
is
you
not
an
supposed to be?
cutting AF.
Supposed to
example.
be right?
FA is cutting BC.
See, suppose this is the
Yeah,
line and this is the midpoint. Okay. And you are saying that any line which goes through the midpoint, their parts are same, is it?
No, it shouldn't be like that.
no, sir, no, sir. Sir, I'll draw and show it to you, sir.
How do
How
you
do
I
do
you?
that?
understood.
We can't see
So
through your
from your
camera.
basis, OC is equal to OB, you cannot conclude that AB is equal to CF. There is a big gap between these two peaks. Okay, any other inputs?
No.
Sir, what is
Sir,
is correct,
look
right?
at this, sir.
Uh,
Remove your virtual background.
Yes,
Remove the dragon behind you.
yes,
It's
sir.
so easy to
So,
beat.
Hey, it's again come there. You
okay,
have to click
so
OK. And then
solution.
So he's showing something, sir. He's showing something, sir.
sir,
that's
so this
In triangle ABO and triangle FCO. So
you just have to
angle
excuse me,
ABO
sir.
is equal to angle FCO because of the transversal line. Transversal, or rather we should also write in a better way.
Excuse me, sir. Can I show you something?
Yeah.
Sir, so the picture you drew says that CO is equal to OB, right, sir?
Yeah.
So I drew both of them in the same way, and FA intersected like correctly in the middle, which was O, which was the midpoint. So which makes that AB equal to CF.
Why did what? Okay,
No.
Sankalp, are you telling me
Oh,
that AO and OF are same? Or AO and FO same?
No, AB and
both are
CF
not
are
same.
How?
no, they're not
Okay,
How
same.
is
okay.
it same?
If I can answer you in a written way, you are saying that OB is equal to OC implies
Yes,
that
sir.
AB is equal to AF. AB is equal to CF. Is it? That's what you are saying, no? You are using this assumption and coming up to
Yes,
this.
sir.
Is it? It is
Yes,
not the
sir.
way. It does not come from this directly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is not sufficient to tell this. This is not sufficient. You have to bring in
Yes,
more information. I'm not saying that it is not possible, but I'm saying that only assumption OB is equal to OC and saying that AF cuts at the same point is not enough to tell that AB is equal to CF. Okay. Possibly you can add more assumptions which are given or which you can extract. Then maybe it is sufficient to conclude AB is equal to CF. Getting my point?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
That is it about. Okay. So so angle ABO is equal to angle FCO. Reason being AB is parallel to DE
D
and
or C.
BC is transversal. Okay, that's the reason. Then
And
comes,
opposite angles of a transversal are equal.
yeah, understandable. So then comes BO is equal to same as CO, which is given. And then comes angle AOB
CO and
is
COF.
equal to angle FOC. See, I'm maintaining
So can we
same
write it as
order.
COF? So why not COF, sir?
Then if you want to write COF, you should write BOA. Either way, both are fine. Both are fine.
Okay.
Okay. So this is opposite angles.
And they are
So
equal.
angle, side, angle. So we write using ASA criteria,
Yes, sir.
which triangles are congruent? ABO and FCO. So triangle ABO is congruent to triangle FCO.
ACO.
By CPCT, we have, so
DC is
AB is
equal to
equal
CO.
to CF. This
So I
is,
forgot
so
what is
AB is equal to
CPCT, sir.
FC,
What is CPCT?
first equation. Now comes the second part. AB, so since ABCD is a triangle, ABCD is a parallelogram, AB must be equal, so I'll bring the figure for you.
AB must be equal to DE and so you can like erase this part, right, sir?
No, one second.
AB must be equal to DC.
DC and FE.
ABEF is a parallelogram. This is F. AB is also equal to FE. Therefore, AB is equal to DC is equal to FE. Second equation. Now using 1 and 2, what we have is AB is same as
Equals DC equals
C is same as DC is equal to FE. What we want only is this part. Therefore, FC, so I'm writing
equal.
FC is equal to DC is equal to FE, and I rearrange and I write it as DC is equal to CF
Yeah.
is equal to F.
FE.
Yes, sir.
Understandable?
Yes, sir.
So basically there are two important things to learn. First, how you write. Always draw a clean figure, given, to show, and then solution. Solution is the second part. You have to figure out of 5 criterias, which of them are you going to utilize and how you are going to utilize small tricks, just like this transversal or opposite angles. It will not come directly to you because of time pressure and other distractions. But if you had practiced enough, then your mind will automatically work to
Find
find
all
these
possibilities.
connections. It is just like chess. In a given orientation, what is the best move? It is just like that. You have to realize that it comes with practice and it doesn't come by chance. Okay. Always think and then write clearly. Understandable?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. All the best then. See you tomorrow.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay.